Number 1. Affiliate marketing. You can earn a commission by promoting other people's products and services through affiliate marketing. You can promote products on your website, blog, or social media channels, and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. E-commerce. You can start an online store and sell products directly to customers. This can include physical products that you source and ship, or digital products that you create and sell directly. Online freelancing. You can offer your skills and services as a freelancer on websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. This could include services such as writing, graphic design, web development, or virtual assistants. Content creation. You can create and monetize content, such as YouTube videos, blog posts, podcasts, or ebooks. You can earn money through ad revenue, sponsored content, or selling your own products or courses. Investing. You can also make money online through investing in stocks, cryptocurrency, or other investment vehicles. This requires research and a certain level of financial literacy, but it can provide a passive income over time.